We all have a communication style and we generally know what that is. We like to communicate with detail, we like to communicate with visual, we like to communicate with how people are going to feel about this particular thing. We're very emotive. We have great communication styles and we have great awareness about those. But did you know that you also have a listening style? Well, you do. And generally speaking, the way you communicate out is also the way that you listen, because that is who you are, and they are very closely aligned. So if you are communicating something and you're wanting someone else to listen, you need to have a look at what their communication style is and ensure that they can hear you.